Horiba Tocadero provide experts with the next generation of water analytics. We are now at the IDEA 4.0 demo facility from IGR. Since now we are using the solutions from XpertEye since 2.5 years. By using XpertEye, we have the possibility to further expand our internal and external service. We can support our service technician in the field by their work to provide them with information they need. As we see everything that our service technician sees, this is really easy. We can mark something he sees, we can provide him with more information he needs or send him some literature. If we are looking at the customer side, by using XpertEye, it's really fast to provide remote service. Send out a service technician in another country normally takes up to 3 or 4 days. A remote session mostly is really quick organized. And this is a really big point for the customer because he can save time and money. We got a lot of positive feedback about XpertEye. The smart glasses are easy to use and they fit well on the head and at the helmet. The next years we will further expand our service and support and give more trainings with these smart glasses.